This is not how I pictured today going.
Exploring the dinosaur exhibit.
I've wanted to see the T-Rex skeleton forever. Race you inside!
Leo, walking feet, please.
This place is huge!
Oh, careful, please.
Sorry. Close one. Look at the size of that skull. It's amazing how quiet it is in here. No need to rush. There's so much to see if we just walk slowly. I just want a closer look.
Please step back from the case.
It's just glass. It's fine.
It leaves marks. Someone has to clean that.
You can see every detail without touching it. Good thinking. The sign asked us to, so I figured I would. I just want a better angle.
That rope's there for a reason, young man.
It's just one photo. What's the big deal?
Ancient, fragile, irreplaceable. That's the big deal. And that pole behind you holds up the big one. I'd give that plenty of room too.
Sure. I can still get a good shot from here. Smart thinking. The rope's probably there to protect it. I was starving, couldn't wait.
Food's for the cafe outside. And that wrapper needs a bin.
Right, sorry. I'll save this for the cafe outside. Good call, I saw the sign too. Easier to just wait than clean up a mess later. Ooh, watch out, he's gonna get eaten. Psh, cow!
Some of us are trying to watch. Shh. Inside voice in here, Leo.
Sorry, got carried away. This part's my favorite.
Same, it's so realistic.
Can I ask a question about the film?
Of course.
Just a little more space.
It's moving!
I didn't mean to... I don't know what to do!
Don't let go. Hold steady. We've got you.
That display has stood 11 years. You had a warning 5 minutes ago and one just now. I heard both.
I just didn't think it meant me. I can fit the whole thing in from back here.
Smart. And the flash is off, too.
Got a great shot and nothing to worry about.
Wait, where's Leo?
I think he went that way.
You can't wander off like that. We didn't know where you were.
Right here isn't good enough if we can't see you. Stay with the group, always.
Yeah, sorry. Ooh, can we go check that out?
Sure, let's all go together.
Way more fun when nobody gets lost. That's actually kind of interesting. You're being weirdly calm right now. Guess I've had enough excitement for one day. Whoa, that's a real mummy. It's real mummy. So old and so cool. Let's look closer, quietly. I'm not gonna knock anything over, I promise.
I appreciate you saying that.
There, see?
Much better than this morning.
This one's cool, but I think I'll get this keychain instead.
Thanks for putting that back so neatly.
No problem. Figured someone else might want to see it. Wait, thank you. For today, all of it, especially the skeleton thing.
That means a lot, Leo. Truly. Did Leo just say thank you on his own?
Okay, that's gonna take a while to stop being scary. A little bit of fear might be good for you. Yeah, it might.
All right, you two, back to the bus. Slowly. So Ben and Leo, have you asked for suggestions yet?
Not yet.
Okay, hurry up.
Where should we go next time? Type your idea in the comments below. We might use your idea in the next episode. See you next time.